In this video I'm going to show you how you can find your referral code on Uber Eats. So what you want to do is first load up the Uber Eats app, and here we will select account found in the bottom right corner. Now for some reason they have hidden it, so we will scroll down until we see help. So click on help. Then you want to go into account and payments, and here we will go into promos and partnerships. You will see this option called how to use referral codes and notes, and if we click on it, it's gonna tell us that from the app we want to select account. Then we will select invite friends and copy and share our code. However, you cannot find it there as I'm gonna show you. So here, account, invite friends, there is no such option. So what we want to do instead is go back into help. Then we will select the same thing, account and payments, and then we will select I need to contact support. Now people report that you want to contact support asking for your referral code in order to actually get it for some reason. I don't know why that is, but basically you will type the name on your account here, and then you will choose other as the option, and you will say I would like to get my referral code on Uber Eats. Uber Eats, as it is not showing for me. Just something very simple like that, and you will submit this request, and they are in a way obliged to give you your referral code. So I hope this helps. Unfortunately, this is what we have to go through. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.